The Savior sees you. Luke chapter 1 verse 25 says, "Thus the Lord has done for me in the days when he looked on me to take away my reproach among people." Have you ever had an experience where you said, "Wow"? God often surprises us by exceeding our expectations, doing more than we could ask or imagine. He surprised us with unanticipated blessings, revealing His goodness and love in unexpected ways. Elizabeth, the wife of Zechariah, was barren and considered shameful in her community. In Jewish society, children were so highly valued that a childless woman felt intense shame. But one day, an angel appeared to Zechariah, announcing that Elizabeth would bear a son. In Luke chapter 1 verse 18 to 20. With delicate simplicity, Luke recorded that indeed Elizabeth, his wife, became pregnant. In Luke chapter 1 verse 24, Elizabeth was very surprised and overjoyed by the news. 3 key points that I will talk to you today. Number 1, the Lord has done for me. Elizabeth acknowledges that the Lord has taken away her shame and reproach by her becoming a mother in her old age. Who would ever imagine or will expect that this aging, childless, shamed, and heartbroken woman was ever on God to see? No one among us escapes God's notice. No matter what we say, no matter what we do, no matter what we think. For in Jeremiah 16:17 says, "For my eyes are on all their ways. They are not hidden from me, nor is their iniquity concealed on my eyes." God sees us regardless of our circumstances or location. Number 2, God's sovereignty and power. Elizabeth knew that only God can make it possible. God is in control in our lives, bringing joy and fulfillment. To God, nothing is impossible. He can overcome even the most impossible circumstances, including barrenness and old age, by His divine power. Keep on trusting His wisdom and sovereignty, even when His ways overwhelm us. The last point, from shame to blessing and honor. Elizabeth was barren for many years, but then God blessed her. God has reversed her shame and reproach with joy and honor. This reminds us that what God can do for our lives will never be restricted by our limitations. God cares for the overlooked and the nobodies of this world. We see here that God keeps His promises, and for sure He will keep His promise to you too. Because the Savior knows you, knows your need, and sees you. Jesus is our hope. God bless.